Welcome back to my channel. Today we are crocheting this granny square flower. To begin, you will need 2 balls of yarn. I'm using pink and white, a 4mm hook and some material scissors. To begin, you want to start by doing a magic circle, or you can do the chain up 4 to create a circle. Then you want to create 12 single crochets to form the center of the flower, and the 12 single crochets will be part of the 12 petals as well. Once you have finished the 12 single crochets, you want to insert your hook into that first single crochet to create a slip stitch. Then you will begin the first petal, and to do that you need to chain up 15 times to create the first petal. Once you have chained up 15, you want to insert your hook into the next single crochet and create a slip stitch to then begin the next petal of chaining up 15. And your project should start to look something like this. So I've done a few petals here, and then now I'm going to continue and do the rest, and then I'll get back to you. Now I've finished my last petal. I'm going to fasten it off and cut the material, and then I'm going to use my white yarn to create the border of the granny square. To create your border of your granny square, you are going to find one petal, insert your hook into it and grab the yarn, pull through, and then you'll just fasten it off by tying it in a knot. Then what you're going to do is insert your hook again, pull through the yarn, chain up 1, and then put your hook back through to create a single crochet. Then you'll chain 4 and create a single crochet in the next petal. Then you will chain 4 again, and then you're going to insert your hook into the next petal, but this time we're going to do a double crochet cluster. To do a double crochet cluster, so yarn over, insert your hook, and you'll pull through, and you have 2 chains on the hook. Pull through again, 3 chains, pull through again, you have 4 chains, then you pull through all 4 chains. And then chain up 4 and repeat again. So yarn over, insert your hook, and you'll pull through, and you have 2 chains on the hook. Pull through again, 3 chains. Pull through again, you have 4 chains, then you pull through all 4 chains. Then you will chain 4 and you will insert your hook into the next petal and create a single crochet. Then you'll chain 4 again, insert your hook into the next petal, create a single crochet, chain 4, and then you'll repeat the corner again, which is those 3 double crochets to form the cluster. Once you have done that, you will repeat that for the rest of the sides of the flower. Then to fasten off, you'll insert your hook into that first single crochet we did at the beginning. For the next row, you are going to create 2 slip stitches into the chain 4, and then you will chain up 3 to begin the double crochet cluster. Now this double crochet cluster, you will only end up having 3 hooks to pull through at the end, because that first chain up 3 is your first double crochet. Once you've done that, you will chain 4 and then you will create a single crochet in that chain 4 from the row below. Then you will chain 4 again and you will create a corner, which is 3 double crochet clusters, chain 4, 3 double crochet clusters into that same hole. And then you will chain 4 again, create a single crochet, chain 4, you'll create the 3 double crochet clusters on the side of the project. Chain 4 again, single crochet, chain 4 again, 3 double crochet clusters, chain 4, 3 double crochet clusters. Then you can finish off the side of the granny square. Then to fasten off the project, you will insert your hook into that cluster of double crochets, create a slip stitch, chain up one, cut the yarn and then fasten it off. And that is how you make the granny square flower. I hope you enjoyed and give it a go.